I'm James Swinney, and here is your morning market brief. We first begin overseas with the major Asian Pacific markets once again trading higher overnight. Japan's Nikkei 225 index on the upside, 3.5%. Hong Kong's Hang Seng index up 1.8%, and China's Shanghai Composite up a total of 1.5%. Now, European markets, they are mostly lower this morning, with Italy leading the way, and in the United States, U.S. stock futures, they were pointing towards a positive open after the bell. The Dow Jones, however, well on the downside, more than triple digits, 110 points to be well below 15,000. Now, the annual rate of deflation in Japanese consumer prices, that slowed to a reading of 0.3% in May, this from 0.7% in April, exceeding consensus estimates calling for a 0.4% year-over-year deflation. Turning focus over to Germany, retail sales rose roughly 0.8% in the month of March, this after contracting 0.1% in April, exceeding consensus estimates for a 0.4% advance. Greek retail sales figures, on the other hand, falling 14.2% in the month of April, this after falling 5.8% in March. And in corporate news, handset maker BlackBerry reported a loss of 13 cents per share in the first quarter of 2013, well below analyst estimates calling for earnings of 8 cents per share. Revenues for the quarter came in at $3.07 billion, well below estimates calling for $3.37 billion. And China National Petroleum Corporation will pay about $5 billion for a stake in Kazakhstan's biggest oil field. This according to reports from Bloomberg. The 8 1/3% stake in a project run by state oil company in Kazakhstan will represent CNPC's largest overseas acquisition ever. And in the United States, Chicago PMI figures, they saw for the month of June a deeper than expected slowdown, falling to a reading of 51.6 for the month of June. And the final results of the University of Michigan's June Consumer Confidence Survey saw a decline to 64.1 from a final May reading of 84.5. A preliminary June reading pegged the level at a total of 82.7.